A birthday adventure, my memorable celebration. Hello, my young friends. Today, I want to tell you about a special day, my memorable birthday celebration. Birthdays are like little holidays just for us, where we have fun, eat cake, and celebrate with our loved ones. So, let me take you on an adventure through my memorable birthday celebration. On my special day, there was excitement in the air. I woke up with a big smile on my face, knowing it was going to be an amazing celebration. I couldn't wait to see what surprises awaited me and spend time with my family and friends. When I walked into the room, it was filled with colorful decorations and balloons. There were streamers hanging from the walls. A big banner with "Happy Birthday" written on it, and balloons floating in the air. It felt like stepping into a magical wonderland. During my birthday celebration, we played fun games and did exciting activities. We had a treasure hunt, where we followed clues to find hidden treats. We also played musical chairs and had a dance-off. It was so much fun laughing and playing together. One of the best parts of my birthday celebration was the delicious food and the yummy cake. We had pizza, chicken nuggets, and my favorite snacks. And then came the moment I had been waiting for, the cake. It was a beautiful cake with my favorite flavor, and it had candles on top. Everyone sang "Happy Birthday" as I made a wish and blew out the candles. Opening presents was another exciting part of my birthday celebration. My family and friends gave me thoughtful gifts that made me feel loved and special. It was like unwrapping little surprises and discovering the joy inside each gift. I couldn't wait to play with my new toys and read my new books. The most important part of my memorable birthday celebration was the love and togetherness. My family and friends were there to celebrate with me, and their presence made my heart feel warm. We laughed, shared stories, and made beautiful memories together. It was a day filled with love and happiness. My memorable birthday celebration was like a dream come true. From the decorations and balloons to the fun games and activities, everything was perfect. The delicious food, the yummy cake, and the thoughtful presents made it even more special. But what truly made it memorable was the love and togetherness shared with my family and friends. So, my young friends, cherish your birthday celebrations and enjoy the love and joy that surrounds you on your special day. Remember, every birthday is a reminder that you are loved and that you bring happiness to those around you. The joyful path of reading. Reading is like a magical key that opens the doors to a world of wonders. It is a special skill that helps us learn, imagine, and explore new ideas. In this essay, we will discover why reading is important and how it can bring joy into our lives. Reading is an important tool for learning. When we read books, we can discover new facts about animals, history, science, and so much more. It helps us understand the world around us and learn about different cultures and places. Through reading, we can gain knowledge and become smarter. Reading is like a ticket to a magical adventure. When we read stories, our imagination takes flight. We can imagine ourselves as brave knights, wise wizards, or curious explorers. We can visit faraway lands, meet interesting characters, and go on exciting journeys. Reading sparks our creativity and helps us dream big. Reading helps us build a strong vocabulary. When we read books, we come across new words and phrases. By understanding these words in their context, we expand our ability to express ourselves. It also helps us improve our language skills, such as grammar, sentence structure, and communication. Reading helps us understand and connect with others. When we read stories, we step into the shoes of different characters and see the world from their perspective. We learn about their feelings, struggles, and triumphs. It teaches us to be kind, empathetic, and understanding towards others. Reading can be a wonderful way to relax and enjoy our free time. We can snuggle up with a book, get lost in its pages, and forget about our worries. It can be a cozy and comforting activity that brings joy and peace to our hearts. Reading can inspire us in many ways. When we read about the achievements and adventures of great people, we feel motivated to pursue our dreams. We can learn from their experiences and find guidance for our own lives. Reading can give us hope and encourage us to reach for the stars. In conclusion, reading is a magical and important skill that brings joy, knowledge, and inspiration into our lives. It helps us learn, imagine, and connect with others. Whether it's exploring new worlds, building our vocabulary, or finding relaxation, reading has countless benefits. So, let's embrace the power of reading and unlock the doors to a world of wonders and possibilities. The wonderful world of technology. Hello, young friends. Today, we are going to talk about something that surrounds us every day, technology. Technology is all around us, from the devices we use to the amazing things it helps us do. In this essay, I will tell you all about the impact of technology in our lives and how it has made our world a better place. So, let's dive into the wonderful world of technology. Technology has made our lives easier and more enjoyable in many ways. Let's explore some of the ways it has impacted our lives. Firstly, technology has made communication much easier. With the help of devices like smartphones and computers, we can talk to our friends and family who are far away. We can send messages, make video calls, and even play games together online. Isn't that amazing? Technology has brought us closer to the people we love, no matter where they are. Secondly, technology has transformed the way we learn. In the past, we used to rely on books and paper to gather information. But now, with the internet and devices like tablets or laptops, we have access to a vast amount of knowledge with just a few clicks. We can watch educational videos, take online courses, and find answers to our questions instantly. Learning has become fun and interactive with the help of technology. Thirdly, technology has revolutionized entertainment. We can watch our favorite movies and TV shows on streaming platforms like Netflix or Disney. We can listen to our favorite songs on music apps like Spotify. We can even play video games that take us on incredible adventures. Technology has given us endless possibilities for entertainment and has made it more accessible than ever before. Moreover, technology has also improved our daily lives. We can use smart devices like smartwatches or smart speakers to help us with everyday tasks. They can remind us of important events, play our favorite songs, or even tell us the weather forecast. Technology has made our lives more convenient and efficient. However, it's important to remember that technology should be used wisely and in moderation. It's essential to balance our time between the digital world and the real world. we should still enjoy activities like playing outside, reading books, and spending time with our friends and family. In conclusion, technology has had a significant impact on our lives. It has made communication easier, learning more accessible, and entertainment more enjoyable. Technology has made our lives more convenient and efficient. However, it's essential to use technology responsibly and find a balance between the digital world and the real world. So, my dear friends, let's embrace the wonders of technology while also cherishing the simple joys of life. Exploring the great outdoors. Hello there, my young friends. Today, we are going to talk about something very exciting, our favorite outdoor activity. Outdoor activities are so much fun because they allow us to explore the wonders of nature and discover new things. In this essay, I will tell you all about my favorite outdoor activity and why I love it so much. So, let's get started. My favorite outdoor activity is going on nature walks. Nature walks are a fantastic way to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors and learn about the incredible plants, animals, and insects that live there. When I go on a nature walk, I feel like an explorer on a grand adventure. Firstly, nature walks are an opportunity to see all sorts of amazing plants. I love learning about different types of trees like oak, maple, and pine. These trees provide us with shade, oxygen, and even wood for building things. I also enjoy spotting colorful flowers like daisies, roses, and sunflowers. It's fascinating to learn about the different parts of a flower and how they help in pollination. Secondly, nature walks allow me to observe and learn about various animals. I always keep an eye out for furry creatures like squirrels, rabbits, and chipmunks. Birds are also very interesting to watch, especially when they sing their lovely songs. Sometimes, I even spot insects like butterflies, ladybugs, and bees. It's important to remember that we should observe animals from a safe distance and not disturb their homes. Thirdly, nature walks provide an opportunity to study fascinating insects and their tiny worlds. I love finding ants marching in long lines and bees buzzing around flowers. Did you know that bees are responsible for making honey? It's incredible how these little insects contribute to our ecosystem. Moreover, nature walks help me to stay active and healthy. Walking is a great exercise that keeps our bodies strong. When we walk outdoors, we breathe in fresh air, which is good for our lungs and makes us feel refreshed. I also enjoy the feeling of the soft grass beneath my feet and the warmth of the sun on my skin. In conclusion, going on nature walks is my favorite outdoor activity because it allows me to explore and appreciate the wonders of nature. I love learning about different plants, animals, and insects that exist in our beautiful world. Nature walks keep me active and healthy while providing a sense of peace and tranquility. So, my dear friends, I encourage you to go on a nature walk and experience the joy of being in nature. There is so much to see and learn, and I'm sure you will love it just as much as I do.